Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. I hope you are doing well. Today is an unboxing from the Travelers Company or the Travelers Factory. I placed an order with them and it arrived today. So I thought I would share with you what I got. This is the Travelers Times. Sorry, let me see if I can move this box out of the way. So this is the Travelers Times. This is the special issue number 15. And sometimes they have like an English version but I guess this is the Japanese version, but these are always a whole lot of fun to look through. So I remember Travelers Company did like a competition asking people to enter writing in about their trip to Kyoto, and with that they would receive a free Travelers Kyoto edition, Travelers Company Kyoto edition notebook for free, notebook cover for free. And so I guess these are the entries that won. So I'm really excited to read about that later on. So there's that was included in the box. So like I said, I purchased some items online, and so I thought I would share with you some of the things that I picked up. So let's start off with this bunch here. Alright, so they came out with some holiday items, and there's like a medium or a large size bag and then a small one. This is the small drawstring bag, and I believe it fits a regular sized traveler's notebook. And then it has, I guess, this theme for the 2021. It has the same type of theme, which is really cute. And yeah, so this is the smaller size. And then I picked up some of the bigger size as well, which is more like a tote bag. These are going to be gifts, so I don't really want to open it up, but similarly there's the same theme running throughout with the, oh, that one's nice. These are the titles of books, and this one is in like an orange color. So there's tote bags and a couple of the drawstring pouches. And then I picked up some like regular things that I usually like to get. These are really great for gifts and things. It's a simple pencil pouch, but it says all aboard, get on Traveler's Train. And yeah, I really like this one. It's really simple. And then here, moving forward, I have, oh, these are really nice. So I'll share with you these ones at the end. I'll just share with you the simple ones that I got. I want to, I don't know if I'm going to do this, but I want to do my December daily in maybe a passport or a field note size. I really haven't decided yet, but I didn't have any simple passport sized inserts, so I got one just in case I decide to use the passport size, but I don't think I'll be using the 64 pages, so I might, I don't know, I might end up taking off or removing the staples and then rebinding it. We'll have to see. So I've got one of the passport sized inserts. I picked up a pen loop and some postcards. This I'll show you. So the pen loop I picked up in the black. I have a brown one that I stick in my passport, my old passport traveler's notebook, but I wanted a black one, so I got the black one there. It's just a sticker on the end on the other side of this, so you just kind of glue it to like a folder or a notebook, and it's not made out of leather or anything. It's just the basic standard plastic, so it's not going to be super long lasting or anything like that, but I did need a simple pen loop. And then I got a couple of postcards here. I always like to send postcards out, so I just picked some of these up from the store. And then lastly, I just got a simple 003 notebook here that I need to use for something special. Anyways, so those are the regular items, and then I want to open up the holiday leather tags and the brass badge as well. So thankfully with the, well, I don't know, I guess thankfully and not thankfully, the Travelers Factory online shop only limits you to 3 items, so you cannot buy more than 3 online. I've never tried to make multiple orders, so I've never actually gone in and tried to order some more again. I don't know, I just want to give everybody a fair chance. I feel really bad for those people that are not located in Tokyo and that live in Japan somewhere, maybe like, I don't know, Okinawa or Hokkaido or Akita or somewhere, and they cannot, you know, physically go to the shops and purchase them, and I would just feel really bad if I took that away from them. So if they're limiting myself to 3, then I'm just going to stick to that. So yeah, these are the brass badges. I think I'm going to give them as gifts, so I don't really want to open it up, but oh, it's really cute. I might want to keep one, but it is a polar bear, and it's just like the same orange as the orange that you see here. It's a nice, it's not like an orange that's too in your face. It's very much toned down, and then the orange here is a little bit lighter. But it's a very nice brass badge. It just says, "Have a nice day, Travelers Factory," and that's the backing there. Oh, I might want to keep this one. So there's that. I will open this one up for you because I think I'm going to keep one of the smaller ones for myself. So let me open up one of these so that you can take a look. Oh, it's really soft. I want to say it's the same type of fabric, or not fabric, but the leather that's made with the leather notebook covers, and there's like little gold foiling here with the snowflakes. It says leather tag, Travelers Factory. It's very pretty. The packaging is very pretty with the gold foiling, like the matte gold foiling here with snowflakes, and then it says leather tag, Travelers Factory. Oh, it's really, really cute. I don't want to say it's that big. This is it in comparison to my hand. The polar bear is definitely big, and I think it would act really nicely as a gift tag that you see on the websites. And oh, I noticed here on the back, it mentioned some of the partner shops that are now available overseas. So I will leave the link down below to the website where you can see all the different partner shops that Travelers Company has, so you don't have to look into resellers or anything. You can get it directly from some of the partner shops, and I highly recommend going through that route. And Travelers Company also has an online shop in the USA. Do they have a physical shop as well? I don't remember, but they definitely have a shop online in the USA now. So if you are located in the States, you can get directly from there. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they are selling these items there as well. I just thought I would share with you on camera. I don't know, before I purchase things, I like to see if I can find them on YouTube so that I can make more of an informed decision if I want to get it or not. I decided to get these because I want to send them as gifts. So oh, it's just really pretty and cute. Yeah, and that's the back. I think I want to say it's more of like the camel color. It's kind of dark here. It's coming up a little bit dark. But yeah, so I'll try and see if I can get a close up here. So that's what it looks like up close. It says, "Have a good day, Travelers Factory," and it's a cute little polar bear, mama bear, baby bear. It's so cute. And yeah, like I think the big one will be really nice as like a gift tag. But there is a little hole in the top, so you can of course hang it on your traveler's notebook as a charm too. So I think I've seen that maybe on their website, but it's really, really nice and soft. Reminds me of their, maybe, I want to say it's a camel color here. That's the back part of it there. So here is the close-up of the brass one. You can kind of see there. Really, really pretty. So here are the items that I purchased. I want to say thank you very, very much for still being here. I want to send these postcards to you if that's okay. I would, it's open internationally. I'll send it anywhere overseas. I'm located in Japan, and I would love to write a postcard or send a postcard to you. I think I just ask that you like or give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you are subscribing to the channel, and yeah, leave me a comment down below. Maybe a stationery item that you're currently really loving, or maybe you are using the Travelers Company items. I would love to hear one of your favorite Travelers Company items that you like to use. And yeah, I will select 4 people probably within a week, or within a week's time, and then I will just message you, or I will leave a notification on the, I think it's called a community tab, where I make announcements. So make sure you are following. Like I said, this is only for the subscribers, so if you are a subscriber, you will see that I've made an announcement on the community tab. So I will announce the winners there. And lastly, I just want to say thank you to the coffee donations. I'm very, very thankful. I'm so thankful I was able to purchase this microphone. Hopefully it's making a difference. But I would like to send this one off to somebody on Ko-fi. I will leave the link down below. The videos that I make here on YouTube are, of course, absolutely free, and then I take my time and make these videos for you, and I absolutely love doing it because I actually enjoy editing and filming the videos. But this is for free, and I really appreciate all the coffee, like the extra cups of coffee, and people that treat me to coffee, and it's really, really nice. So for those of you on Ko-fi, I would really like to send one of these out to you. This is just one of the smaller drawstring pouches, and I will leave the directions or how to enter the giveaway for that in the Ko-fi account. So hopefully that makes sense. And I think that's about it. Yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you always so very much for being here. I am just so thankful, and I know with some of the countries there's, you know, another lockdown happening, and I think it only is going to get a little bit worse again with the winter time coming. But please stay safe, please stay healthy, and I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.